What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to write a song like Boywithuke. But more specifically, how to write lyrics like Boywithuke. So let's get started. And a lot of these tips can be used to write any types of songs, not just like Boywithuke. But anyway, first thing you want to do is make sure you're writing about something that means something to you. I could write a song about Krabby Patties and how good they are, but I've never had one, so I'm not going to be able to write as honestly or as specifically as I would like to. So find something real to sing about that you can actually relate to and use your emotions full-heartedly. For example, Boywithuke likes to sing a lot about love, whether it be falling in love or heartbreak, and he uses a lot of personal experiences so that all the lyrics seem true and real. Or another example, his newest song, Trauma. He literally sings about his childhood trauma, so he has a lot to sing about and a lot of feelings about it. So make sure your music is something that you can actually relate to, so you can write the truest, most honest lyrics that you have inside. Like if it's love, maybe you can write about the girl that you met, whether she gave you butterflies, made you nervous, made you feel like you could fly or hold the world in your hands. Or if the girl you liked didn't like you back, it was heartbreaking. How did that make you feel? Write those lyrics. Just be honest and true, and people will feel your emotions through your lyrics and the way you sing them, because it means something to you. This step's really easy and really quick. All you gotta do is scroll down a little bit, hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button, and then hit that bell notification button with your pinky, and then we'll get to the next step. The next thing I want to talk about is the pacing. I'm assuming you're watching this video because you want to make your songs sound like Boywithuke songs. So let's go over how he basically paces all of his songs. So a lot of the pacings for the ones that are actually popular and really good start with a kind of slow but really nice and smooth rap verse, and then once it gets to the chorus, it gets a little more intense and emotional. For example, Toxic. He starts off with a nice chill rap. All my friends are toxic, all ambitionless, so rude and always negative. I need new friends, but it's not that quick and easy. Oh, I'm drowning, let me. And then when he gets to the chorus, it's a little more intense. I'm better off all by myself, though I'm feeling kind of empty without somebody else. So here's another example, another popular song, 2 Moons, the one that he blew up with basically. Nice kind of chill rappy section. 2 moons, I can feel myself start catching on fire. You knew, yeah, you kept it to yourself, to yourself. 2 moons, I get lost on my way searching for liars. This ain't good for my health. No, this ain't good for my health. Then to the more upbeat chorus. Sorry, please excuse me for my mess. My heart's been pouring through my chest. I fell through corridors of broken floors. I'm sorry that I left. I'm pretty sure you could listen to any of his songs now and kind of see the pacing and the beat and all the way he does that stuff with the rapping and then the more intense chorus. So go listen to some of his songs if you haven't already, and that'll help you a lot with the pacing. So on to the next step. This step is some advice for the actual lyrics that you're gonna write. Advice tip number 1. Pretend you're in school and practice your rhyming. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be like time and rhyme, lime, crime, okay? You could use those, but you can also do stuff like me and happy. How it's not like exactly rhyming, but it's pretty close. You can come up with more cool rhymes that way to finish all your lyric sentences with. Next thing is you want to make sure you say it smoothly so it rolls off your tongue very nicely and people want to sing it with you. You don't want to have a nice little chorus that kind of jumps and sounds hoarse. You know what I mean? You want it to be smooth like butter so your lyrics don't get thrown in the gutter. Does that make sense? You also don't need a lot of fancy words like facade or immobilize or big words like that. You can use a lot of basic, simple words, but just use them in ways that you wouldn't expect. Like when you're explaining something about a heartbreak, you can say, you split my heart in two. You tore my heart to pieces. You can say things like that instead of just, you broke my heart. You know? Just be more creative with your simple words and then try and rhyme them together at the end of each lyric. You want to make it kind of creative so people aren't really expecting it, and then when it actually rhymes and you say it, they're like, huh, that's pretty cool. And the final tip is obviously practice. I wrote this about a week ago. The only way to get better and make better songs and lyrics is to just go make some. You make bad ones, but it's okay, because those are the stepping stones to good ones. And if you guys know anything about Ed Sheeran or how popular his songs are, he always says, it's just like an old faucet. You want to keep making songs and keep the water running until all the bad water gets out, and eventually you'll get to good water or good songs. So go write some songs and practice, guys. And I hope this video helped. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.